we are at a new Dave & Buster's in California. So much things gettable, and they have a lot of popular plushies here. So, the only thing is we're not here on the half-price games Wednesday, so I'm gonna go for this Taz here just so I can get him first. I think I could get him without using the swing technique. I don't know. Ooh, come on, be strong. Oh, I missed him. Let's go for this thing right here. Got him. Sweet. Yabadabadoo. It's kind of weird. Yes, got the Taz. 2 in a row. Oh, that should have him. Yes, got 3 in a row. 3 in a row, guys. Haven't even used my angles. No, I messed it up.
Try again.
Hope so, anyways. Should have him. Alright. Alright, let's go for this dino right here. Oh, come on. So close.
Try again.
One more. I'm gonna get this dino guy. No, it didn't go down. Oh my gosh. It's stupid. Alright, we're done with it.
Try again.
Getting the dice back here. Hopefully. Use my angles. Back too far. Oh, 2 and 9. Kidding me? Come on.
Try again.
Alright, we'll try this one, I guess. I just want to get all the winnable stuff first, so this one has different music. Man, they put these prizes really far back. Okay, let's go for this big duck right here. Yes, got the duck. I like this one, it's a little bit stronger. Let's go for this money thing right here. Now let's go for Bob the Builder right here. Oh, come on, get him. Yes. Gonna fall, yes. Got Bob. Oh, he almost didn't go in. I would have been so mad. Last try. Oh, yes, barely got him. Alright. Let's get our prizes. Alright, we're playing the big one, and this huge banana is so gettable. So many stuff in the big one that's gettable. Saw somebody want a pink Crayola thing. I'm gonna use my angles. That looks good. Hope I can get it. I want banana so bad. I think he's like the coolest thing ever. Come on, get banana. No, don't slip. Oh, so expensive to play. It's like, oh, no, don't hit that dog. Come on. Oh, no. That's why it takes a couple tries to get him. Oh, too far back. Ooh, maybe not. Yes, stay. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, ran out of time. Ooh, that should get him. Come on. Oh.
Success! Woohoo!
Oh, ran out of time. Come on, please, grab it, please. Oh, 2 and 1. No, wait, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I want to reach in there and grab them. Alright, before I grab them, I'm just going to grab banana really quick. Yeah, he got stuck. Yeah, he got stuck. Yeah, I'm going to try to get this banana. Maybe he'll fall in.
Look, it's stuck right there.
What? Oh no. Oh, he did not fall in. Oh, missed it. I think it's a watch. Nice. Got the watch.
Try again.
Got it though. I don't want to try again. Oh, cool. That's a cool watch right there. Looks gettable. If anything, I could just like knock it in. Easy. Come on, knock him in. What? What the heck? Come on. Yes, got seafood. Stay. Yes, don't. Alright. Not really sure what it is, actually. Ooh, come on. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, barely. That was close. Yes, got the tiger by the head. Want him. Ooh, that should have him. Oh no. Way too dug in. Okay. Two and one. Oh, 2 to 1. got him. Oh, he almost didn't go in. He's not gettable. This bear is sitting duck. Just get this. If I don't win this bear, there's something wrong. Oh yeah, I got him. Perfect grab. Decided to play it safe. Go for the bear that I wanted. Alright, we're going to count my prizes here that I won at the new California Dave & Buster's. Got a duck. Money cow. This one actually has a tag. The other one's it's huge. Nanco. It's such a copy of Namco. But anyways. Pig. I think it's a pig. Penguin. Dolphin. A lot of those. Another dolphin or a shark. I think this one might be a flaming shark on fire. Bob the Builder. Look at this tool. It's like made out of fabric. Anyways. Tasmanian Devil with like really big eyes. Another Tasmanian Devil. I got two. I actually noticed something. I won the exact same one at a Sugarloaf. But I think Sugarloaf actually makes its own because the tag actually says Sugarloaf on it when I have it and this one doesn't. So I'm not sure if Sugarloaf like asked the people of Namco to do that or they actually have their own plush. Probably just ask them though. But anyways, another Tasmanian Devil, little baby tiger, Shifu from Kung Fu Panda. Yeah. Oh, got a lot of prizes. Precious Moment bear. Precious Moment. From the claw machine. That's a precious moment. Baby from Shrek. Like Shrek baby with the diaper. And my big one wins. This Crayola bear. And this huge banana. It's huge. Oh, I also did win this. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I won this watch too from the Jewelry Claw. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 prizes for the day. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more videos. And see you next time.